Unlock authentic brand love by harnessing the power of your customers' voices in your video ads. This is your step-by-step guide to sourcing incredible, user-generated content, or UGC, for your video advertising campaigns, boosting credibility and driving those crucial conversions. First up, let's ignite creativity with contests and challenges. Design engaging prompts that encourage your audience to showcase your product in action. Think show us how you use product to solve problem, or create a mini tutorial featuring product. Offer exciting prizes, like gift cards, exclusive merchandise, or even a feature on your brand's main social media channels. Clearly outline the submission guidelines and the deadline, making it easy for participants to understand what you're looking for. Next, tap into the power of influencers. Identify micro and macro influencers whose audiences genuinely align with your brand instead of just sending free products. Brainstorm collaborative video concepts that feel natural and authentic to their content style. This could be a product review, a day in the life featuring your item, or a creative skit. Prioritize influencers who are known for their honest feedback and strong community engagement, as this translates to more trustworthy UGC. Third, let's incentivize your existing customer base. After a purchase, send a polite follow-up email or a thank you note with a clear invitation to share their experience. Offer a small discount on their next purchase, early access to new products, or entry into a monthly draw for customers who submit UGC. Make it simple by providing a direct link or a hashtag to use. The key here is to make them feel appreciated and valued for their contribution. Remember, the magic of UGC lies in its authenticity. Genuine testimonials and relatable stories are far more persuasive than polished, overly produced advertisements. These real-life experiences build trust and credibility for your brand, making potential customers feel understood and confident in their purchasing decisions. So, go forth and start building those authentic connections through the power of your community's stories. #UGC creation, #video marketing.